Hi there, my name is Bob. I'm with Peak Med. Peak Med is an instrument company specializing in minimally invasive cardiothoracic instrument platforms. This is our atrial tray, the atrial lift tray. Our atrial lift tray is part of our MIS, minimally invasive mitral valve repair versus replacement platform. The two other trays would be a right thoracotomy thoracic tray and also an instrument tray. Those are broken out in other videos. The components of this tray, of course, are an arm. This is an articulating arm that has 3 joints to it and an instrument holder, which goes directly into a rail-mounted, bed mount rail clamp. That clamp in itself comes in the tray as is. Lifetime warranty in all parts and materials in this tray. And then you have the blades themselves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 blades are made of aluminum and come to the sizing as 45 millimeters wide by 50 millimeters long, 60, 70, also 35 millimeters wide by 40, 50, and 60 millimeters long. You got your blade introduction forceps and you have your blade holder. Let's go through it and see how you would position it during a surgery. You would take one of your blades, take your blade introduction forceps. You've got a notch out in your blade right there. You take your forceps, put it in that notch, lock it, and then you take your blade, or I should say your blade holder, and what you do is, with your right thoracotomy approach, let's say you're retracting intercostal space number 4, you would go directly across the sternum, make a 5 millimeter incision, drop this blade holder down, and within the chest cavity, you enter the introduction forceps and you screw the blade holder down into the blade itself. At that point, you take your blade holder, add it to the articulating arm, and at this point, you move your arm in directions to allow for you to feasibly lift the atrium, exposing the mitral valve, and then with a few cranks, you can lock it in place. And there you have it. That is the atrial lift tray, which is part of our minimally invasive mitral valve repair versus replacement platform. Lifetime warranty, made in the United States. If you're interested in seeing this tray in real person or in action, we do trials. Send me info at peakmdi.com and we'll get you set up. Thank you very much. Appreciate your help.